In the early 20th century, as India fought for its freedom from British rule, a new symbol of unity and pride was being born: the Indian national flag. The journey to its creation was as vibrant and diverse as the nation itself. Various designs were proposed, each representing the aspirations and beliefs of the people. But it was a young freedom fighter, Pingali Venkaiah, who envisioned a flag that would unite all Indians under a single banner. On July 22, 1947, the Constituent Assembly approved the final design. The flag was to have 3 horizontal stripes: saffron, white, and green, with a navy blue Ashoka Chakra at its center. The saffron represents courage, the white peace and truth, the green faith and chivalry, and the Ashoka Chakra symbolizes the eternal wheel of law. Together, they form a flag that waves proudly as a symbol of India's independence and unity. On August 15, 1947, as India became a free nation, this flag was hoisted for the first time, marking the dawn of a new era. Today, it continues to inspire millions, a testament to the enduring spirit of a nation. As we look up at our flag today, let us remember the sacrifices made by countless heroes who fought for our freedom. The tricolor is not just a symbol of our nation. It is a reminder of the values we hold dear: courage, peace, and unity. Each time we see our flag, let us be reminded of our responsibility to uphold these values. Whether in our daily lives or in moments of national pride, the flag unites us as one people, one nation. The flag is a symbol of our past, our present, and our future. Let us honor it by living the ideals it represents every day. Jai Hind! Thank you for watching and joining us in celebrating the spirit of our nation. Your support helps us continue to create meaningful content that honors our rich heritage and culture. Together, let's continue to cherish the values that make us proud to be Indian. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Your support means the world to us.